It was a hot morning in Dino Valley, but something was wrong. The river had stopped flowing. Without water, the dinosaurs would be in trouble. Toby worried. We have to find out what happened to the waterfall. Leela thinking hard. Water doesn't just disappear. Something must be blocking it. Finn grinning. Sounds like an adventure to me. The young dinos followed the river's path, searching for clues. Soon, they heard a strange sound rumble. Leela pointing ahead. Look, that cave might have answers. Toby determined. That's why the waterfall stopped. We need to move these rocks. Finn examining the rocks. But they're huge. We can't do it alone. Lila smiling. Then let's get some help. With teamwork, the dinos pushed and pulled until cracks the rocks tumbled away, and water rushed through the cave. Toby cheering. We did it. Lila laughing. See, teamwork makes everything possible. The river was saved, thanks to the young dino team. From that day on, they were known as the Waterfall Heroes. Toady splashing in the water. Best adventure ever.